So here you are, here you are.
And looky here.
Ah, yes.
Oh, I want to tell you what. I had to take notes. I was so excited last night, I couldn't even sleep. First of all, I want to explain to you, I'm not a reader. I was never trained in school to read books. They never made us read books. My family never read books. I never became a book reader. So I like audiobooks, but when I go to read a book, I start it and all of a sudden my mind is somewhere else and I got to go back and I got to reread it. So I suck. The only books that I've totally completed from beginning to end are yours and this one. This was the only book ever that I started and couldn't put down and finished and was just hyperventilating. I mean, it was that good.
So here, I'm raising the glass to you, and thank you so much for doing this.
But let me tell you my thoughts, and then I'll show you through the book. First of all, I really loved your foreword. It was clear, descriptive, informative, and sharp. And there was nothing left to clarify the contents of the book. It was very clear. And it was beautifully written. And it was also inspiring, and it motivated me to keep reading, and that's what started it. Oh, let me just check this out. So my intention was to go through it, check everything out, and that was it for the night. But I read the foreword, and then I started reading, and I couldn't stop. I couldn't put it down. And what I liked about it is there's something in there for everybody, even non-fortune tellers. Everybody had their different takes on things. And so then I thought, when I got done, I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick out my favorites. So I took my pencil and I was going to put stars by the top of each one. And then I got through and I'm going, well, I'm marking every one of them. And I said, oh, screw it. I said, I just quit. I just quit doing it because every one of them was the best of the author's uniqueness. My only complaint is it was too short and I wanted more. Decided I was going to throw the cards and ask, how did I really feel about the book? What did it impress on me? How did I really feel? And I pulled the Magician and the Star and the Tower. And of course, the Star and the Magician were looking to the left, so I pulled one more to see where they were looking at. And oh, sure enough, it was the devil. And when I looked at the cards, this is what hit me. Every page exploded with the author's naked essence that was magical, tricky, cunning, and spellbinding. I could see everyone's cartomantic journey.
Ah, I love that. Oh, flick through that. I want to see some art.
It's like, I'm glad I didn't drool on it too much.
Wow. Oh, excellent. Exquisite. That's Michelle's work. Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so this one was interesting because that was Enrique's, and how his pictures bleed through from the page before?
Yes.
That's exactly how it came out. This one's yours. Isn't that one you did?
Yes, it's the one I did. Yeah, the Suminagashi Tree of Coins.
I got it. Like last night, I read this like eating at the buffet, and now I want to go back and I want to do munchies. I just want to go slow and read everything real slow. That's how it makes me feel. It's very useful. People get this book. It's fun.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.